Tash has combined a necessary shopping trip with a special treat for herself.
We've been running off, 50-litre temporary tanks that barely last half a hair wash for me. So I've not showered in like 4 days. It is disgusting. Oh my God. Kate, I can't talk. I just need a shower.
Straight through there.
I just need a shower. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you. Oh my.
Take a minute, make a move and breathe. You've tried to make it easy for me.
And they have this amazing shower that's got jets from all angles. It is incredible. Hot water. All right, let's do this. Sparkling water. Thank you. Kate,
Let's
do
go.
it.
Straight into it.
Love it. Ended up ordering the this beautiful little shelf that we'll put into our shower. I've also ordered our vanity for the studio bathroom while I was there because we've already ordered everything else.
Oh, sorry.
So, you know, I had a few calls to make, so I thought, why don't I do it in comfort? And I sat down.
Is it a bath you're sitting in?
I'm in a Laufen.
It is too. You got a big night painting tonight, so enjoy your time off.
How calm do I look?
Out on the road, Tash doesn't have a care in the world.
Mitch and Mark, the advice that they gave us was to be happy.
Enjoy it.
Enjoy it, because it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. You know, I was feeling so tranquil. I thought, I actually need this tranquility to stay with me for the rest of the day. So I went to Beacon Lighting because I wanted to get another option for my stairwell.
Hey, Tash.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you? And decided to have some light therapy when I was there.